Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max that this brand sent to me for this video. I have it here. I have the test phone right here as well, so we're gonna put it on the actual case. But a couple of things that I want to show you about this one in a close-up in a few seconds is that this one, number one, it is shock-proof, shock-resistant, and it's also heavy-duty and military grade. So this one, if your phone falls or something like that, it won't get damaged. It won't. This case will absorb all the impact. But also another really important thing is that the lenses are going to be protected extra because they're going to be inside of the case, which is a cutted hole right here for the lenses. They're going to be visible at the same time. So we're going to put it in a little bit of seconds. We're going to put it right here on the actual case, but also want to show you that comes with a screen protector, which I think it is really cool for them to add this to this package, and a cleaning kit so you can clean the screen and apply the screen protector. Let's actually jump on a closer look. Okay, check it out. I have the test phone right here, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's it. We're all set. This one easy peasy, no issues on how it fits. Your phone will be inside of the case, so if it falls horizontally, the case will absorb the impact. The same thing that happens with the rounded corners, which is going to be shock proof. And this right here is what I was telling you before. The lenses are inside. They're not going to be exposed if you want to push your phone, if you want to put your phone like here horizontally, or if it falls the same as well. The other good thing about this one is it has a really nice grip in a kind of like a clear back, so that is really cool to also showcase your phone if you want to pick up another color, for example. Really nice catted buttons right here to perfection on the sides, and of course the catted holes for the microphone, the charger, and all that. But the best thing of this one, I believe, is this. So you have a stand, so you can actually put it right here on kind of like horizontal position as well, landscape position. But the perfect thing about this one is that it supports, boom, wireless charging. So if you have a MagSafe power bank, it will support wireless charging as well, or if you want to put it in a magnet phone holder on your car. This thing is actually really heavy duty. I like it and I do recommend it.